Hi YouTube, and welcome back to IAmBeautifulHustler channel. And if you are new to my channel, then welcome to my channel, and don't forget to click that subscribe button. Today I will be showing you guys a new tutorial on how to pluck a lace. Right here I am just showing you guys how I started to pluck this side out. So I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how I did it, but performing it on the other side. Before I start plucking anything, I like to part off a little section so I can start to pluck a little bit behind the hairline. And as you can see, usually behind the hairline is where it's the fullest, and you will need to pluck in that area in order to make the hair look more natural. When plucking a hairline, I like to hold my tweezers sideways, and I'll pluck going from front to back, and I just do that the whole time that I am plucking. Also, you don't want to pluck in the same spot for too long because you don't want it to create a bald spot. So as you can see, I will be moving from left to right, going in different areas. You also want to comb the hair as you're plucking to see how much more you need to pluck, or if you plucked out enough. Now you are already starting to notice a difference on just this little section that I'm working with, but I'm going to continue to show you how I pluck the rest. Also, another key factor in plucking is the type of tweezers that you are using. I like to use some flat tweezers, the ones that are a little bit wider. Try not to get the one with the round tip on the end because it's hard to grip the hair, so make sure you are grabbing tweezers that has good grip on it. Able to see the major difference from how this hairline looked from when I first started to what it's looking like now. And once you complete tweezing the side, you can go ahead and work your way to the front center of the hairline so it can be plucked and natural looking as well. Once again, when doing the center, is you want to follow the same direct steps. You want to go ahead and part some hair off across of the hairline and begin to pluck behind it. And once you complete plucking behind it, you can go back in towards the front and pluck out a few of those hairs from the hairline so that it looks even more natural. Once you are done plucking, you could go ahead and comb everything back so you can see your final results. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Once again, I am Beautiful Hustler channel, and thank you for watching.